Assalamu alaikum grade 4. Today we are doing the chapter number 10 and it's lesson number 2. Previously we done the lesson number 1. So in this lesson we will cover the area of a square and rectangle. How you can find out the length of a square when the area is given. And if the one dimension of a rectangle is given, the other dimension of the area and its area is given, how you find out the another one. You have to open the book page number 222. So how you will calculate it? Let's suppose we have a square. The area of a square is right now is 36 centimeter square. How you can find out the length of the square? First of all, you have to recall the previous lecture how we were creating it. The property of a square is when all the sides are equal. Okay, and then how we can calculate it? How many parts are there? One box is equal to 1 centimeter, 1 unit. It means you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, you have to count from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means that they are basically 6 by 6 unit, and we know that the area of a square is length multiplied by length. The length multiplied by length is 6 multiplied by 6. So you can say that if we have only one, so it means we have to multiply 1 by 1. If we have 2 units, so you have to multiply 2 multiplied by 2. If we have 3 units, so you have to multiply 3 multiplied by 3. Similarly, you have to carry on. Here we have a 36. So we know that 36 which table we have are twins. 2 times we have to multiply this one. It's like 2 times 2 it's 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 5 is 25, and so 6 times 6 is 36. So the answer is the length of the square is 6 centimeter. Okay, it's activity time. So you have to try these area in square unit. You have to find out if the area of a square unit is this, what is the length. So you have to find out that particular table. 2 times 2 4, 6 times 6 36, 7 times 7 49. You have to learn the tables and you have to know how you can get the same values when it multiplying by itself. It will give you the square unit. Okay, match your answers. Now we have a rectangle. A rectangle has an area of 36 centimeters square. The breadth of the rectangle is 3 centimeters. What is the length of the rectangle? So similarly, you know that the formula of this one is length into multiply. Area of a rectangle is length into multiply breadth. And when you are having the one values, right now we have breadth and we have to find out the length. Simply what you have to do, you have to divide the area with the breadth. You have to divide the area with the breadth to get the length value. Okay, this means to check the answer you have to simply multiply the 12 multiplied by 3, the length is 12 and the breadth is 3. When you multiply you will get the perfect answer. So what you have to do, similarly when we have a rectangle, simply divide the area with that particular breadth. If they are asking for the breadth, so you have to divide with the breadth value. If they are asking for the length, you have to divide with the breadth value to get the breadth value. Okay, now you have to do the practice question, page number 224. This is the practice question. Right now we have to find out the length of each square. Right now its area is 81. We already solved in the activity. Area when it is like this, it means it will be 9 times 9. The area length is 9. Similarly, when we have a 64, it means 8 times 8. Okay, you have to write the answer without any square, because right now you are finding out the length. I told you in the previous class that area must be in this unit square and the length or a breadth must be in the single, no square unit like this, simply centimeter or a meter, whatever the unit they are giving it. Find the length of or a breadth of each of the following. The area is 15. What I told you that Simply divide 15 by the 5, you will get the length 3 centimeter. Okay, and in this one 36 divided by 9, you will get the 4. Check the other one. Okay class, now you have to do the worksheet number 14. This is the worksheet number 14 in which you have to find out the area by counting the square. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to simply multiply 4 multiply by 3 by the 12, or you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 like this. Find the area of each square. Simply count the shaded areas. How many shaded areas are there? Okay class, you already know it. Now match your answers. Very good. So that's the end of today's lecture. Have a nice day and keep practicing it. Allah Hafiz.